हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे आईएम इंजेक्शन के इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्रेफर्ड नीडल लेंथ फॉर एन आईएम इंजेक्शन इन द डेल्टॉइड मसल? Correct answer is B, 1 inch. The deltoid muscle requires a 1 inch needle for proper intramuscular administration. Next question, what is the maximum volume of medication that can be injected into the deltoid muscle? Correct answer is A, 1 ml. The deltoid can safely accommodate up to 1 ml of medication to prevent tissue damage. Next question, which landmark is used to identify the deltoid injection site? Correct answer is A, acromion process. The injection site is located 2 finger braids below the acromion process. Next question, what is the primary purpose of the Z-track technique? Correct answer is D, all of the above. The Z-track technique minimizes irritation, prevents leakage and reduces pain. Next question, which angle should be used for an IM injection in the deltoid? Correct answer is D, 90 degree. IM injections should be administered at a 90-degree angle for proper muscle penetration. Next question, after injecting the medication, how long should the needle remain in place? Correct answer is C, 10 seconds. Holding the needle for 10 seconds allows the medication to disperse properly. Next question, which of the following is not a reason to use the Z-track technique? Correct answer is C, decreases absorption rate. Z-track does not slow absorption, it prevents leakage and irritation. Next question, what should be done immediately after withdrawing the needle? Correct answer is B, apply gentle pressure. Massaging is avoided to prevent medication leakage. Gentle pressure is applied instead. Next question, which of the following muscles is not used for IM injections? Correct answer is D, biceps brachii. The biceps brachii is not an IM injection site. Next question, what is the preferred syringe size for a deltoid IM injection? Correct answer is B, 3 ml. A 3 ml syringe is typically used for IM injections in the deltoid. Next question, why is aspiration not required for deltoid IM injections? Correct answer is B, there are no major blood vessels. Aspiration is not needed because the deltoid site lacks major blood vessels. Next question, which medication is commonly given by IM injection in the deltoid? Correct answer is C, vaccines. Vaccines like tetanus and influenza are often administered in the deltoid muscle. Next question, what is the primary risk of using a needle that is too short for IM injection? Correct answer is B, subcutaneous injection instead of IM. A short needle may not reach the muscle, leading to incorrect administration. Next question, which type of medications require the Z-track technique? Correct answer is B, irritating or staining drugs. The Z-track technique is used for medications that may cause skin discoloration or irritation. Next question. What is the first step before giving an IM injection? Correct answer is B. Verify the medication and patient. Always confirm the right patient and right drug before injection. Next question. Which of the following is an advantage of the Z-track technique? Correct answer is B. Reduces pain and leakage. The Z-track method helps prevent medication leakage and reduces discomfort. Next question. Where should the non-dominant hand be placed during an IM injection? Correct answer is C. Pulling the skin laterally. In the Z-track technique, the non-dominant hand pulls the skin to the side before injecting. Next question. What should be done if blood is aspirated during an IM injection? Correct answer is B. Withdraw the needle and start over. If blood appears, the needle may have hit a blood vessel and should be repositioned. Next question. How can pain be minimized during an IM injection? Correct answer is A. Injecting slowly. Slow injection reduces discomfort and prevents tissue trauma. Next question. Which of the following is not an IM injection site? Correct answer is D. Radial artery. The radial artery is not a muscle and is never used for IM injections. Next question. What is the typical gauge of a needle used for deltoid IM injections? Correct answer is B. 21G to 23G. A 21 to 23 gauge needle is commonly used for IM injections. Next question. Why should the skin not be massaged after a Z-track injection? Correct answer is B. It causes medication leakage. Massaging the side can push medication into subcutaneous tissue. Next question. What is the most common complication of an IM injection? Correct answer is D. Pain and swelling. Mild pain and swelling are common but usually temporary. Next question. Which hand should be used to inject the medication? Correct answer is B. Dominant hand. The dominant hand provides better control while injecting. Next question. Which age group is most commonly given IM injections in the deltoid? Correct answer is C. Adults. The deltoid site is mainly used for adult vaccinations. Next question. What should be done immediately after removing the needle? Correct answer is B. Dispose of the needle in a sharp container. Used needles should be disposed of properly to prevent needle stick injuries. Next question. Which of the following should be avoided in the deltoid IM injection? Correct answer is D. All of the above. Incorrect positioning or excessive volume can cause complications. Next question. Which muscle is preferred for IM injections in infants? Correct answer is C. Vastus lateralis. The vastus lateralis is the safest IM site for infants. Next question. Which of the following is not a step in the Z-track technique? Correct answer is C. Massaging the site after injection. Massaging can cause medication leakage, so it is avoided in the Z-track method. Next question. Which injection site has the highest risk of hitting the radial nerve? Correct answer is C. Deltoid. Improper technique in the deltoid can injure the radial nerve. Next question. Why should IM injections be given at a 90-degree angle? Correct answer is B. To ensure deep muscle penetration, a 90-degree angle helps the needle reach the muscle properly. Next question. Which type of needle is best for IM injections? Correct answer is C. Long and thick. A long 1 inch or more and thick 21G to 23G needle ensures proper IM delivery.